Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Yes, long time no see, you guys, and for today's video, we're trying out the new brand, Her. So I bought 3 nail polishes from their official Shopee page, and I chose Lavender Haze, Bubble Club, and Summer Days. And may box siya for each nail polish. And by the way, their nail polishes are called Soft Poly. Their Soft Poly is infused with vitamin E, sunflower seed oil, and rose flower extract. Soft Poly is a gentle nail polish that adds a touch of delicate color to your nails. Designed with an arched edge brush for easy and even application. And at the back of the box, makikita natin yung ingredients and more. By the way, one Soft Poly nail polish costs 89 pesos. And it's in a 10 ml bottle. And sa other side ng box, makikita natin yung application guide niya. Now, let's unbox them! I'm super loving the bottle shape. It's completely different from other local nail polish brands. And super cute nila, diba? And sa ilalim ng each nail polish ay makikita natin ang kanilang mga shade name. Now let's try the 3 different shades. Let's start with one coat of Lavender Haze. By the way, I already applied base coat before swatching. And I waited for 3 minutes para ma-dry siya completely. Pero I think it took less than 3 minutes kasi fast drying naman siya. So, now I'm applying the second coat. Next naman, let's watch Bubble Club. Now for the second coat. And lastly, let's watch Summer Days. Then for the second coat. After cleaning up the nail polishes to lumagpas and after letting them to all dry, eto na siya. As you can see, naging super smooth yung appearance niya within just 2 coats. And as for pastel nail polishes, 2 coats ay super okay na. It also appears to be super shiny kahit wala pang top coat. Plus, it doesn't have a super strong nail polish odor. And guys, I super love the brush type. I would really love to try out more Soft Polys by Her. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!